Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. During the time frame that I was sick and not in the garden, 6 days, I had a lot of packages delivered. So we're going to do a mail call and show you what we got. So here we got 3 boxes, and inside the boxes we have Coastal of Maine organic and natural soil that I'm going to put into this bed here. So I'm going to cut it open and just spread it out. So that's 1 of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Then I'm going to gauge whether or not I need to get some more soil. So as you can see, the 4 bags were not enough to fill up the bed. So by my guesstimation, I'm probably going to need anywhere from 6 to 8 more bags of soil. And I think I can get that at my local Tractor Supply, some soil on sale, and fill it up rather than waiting to order the coastal Maine rather, that I used here. Although I really like the soil, it's nice and fluffy and all. If you're interested in the soil that I put in, you can go to my Amazon storefront, and there's a link for it there, and also for everything that I use in the garden. My 2 other packages that I got are in my greenhouse, so we're going to transverse over there and you can see what they are. As many of you may already know, I am affiliated with Agrothrive liquid fertilizer, and I had to restock my supply. So this is what this package is. And here are the 2 formulas, the general purpose and the fruit and flower. General purpose is 332. The fruit and flower is 335. And these are sample packs that came. So we have all of these. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of these. We have 16 quart version of the Agrothrive general purpose. Same thing here for the fruit and flower. And then we have the gallon version of or 64 quart version of the general purpose, and also the fruit and flower. So this should last me for a while. The last time that I ordered, I think, was sometime back in 2023, maybe. So this should last me for a pretty decent while. We're going to go ahead and put this away, and then we'll open up the last box. If any of you are interested in getting some of the Agrothrive, you can head over to my website. There's a link for the company on it, and the website address as well as the Amazon storefront address is listed in the description portion of the video, and I'll also put it in the comment portion of the video. The last thing that we got is a liquid fertilizer that is high in nitrogen, specifically to be used for my onions. So I ordered a fertilizer that I've read up on and became interested in. Jack water soluble fertilizer. And NPK on this is 25, 5, and 15. So when I get ready to feed my onions, I'm going to water them or feed them by hand in a 5-gallon bucket. So what I'm going to do is put 8 teaspoons of this into the 5-gallon bucket. Make sure it's mixed thoroughly, and then feed my onions. If you're interested in getting this, this is also on my Amazon storefront. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this, a different form of a mail haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I hope it brought a smile to your face and a little warmth to your heart. Again, if you're interested in purchasing any of the products, you can go to my website and my Amazon storefront, and you can get them for yourselves. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Fun fact, according to YouTube's analytics, only 3% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed and actually come back. And let's see if we can get that up to the 5 to 10% range. If you do like my videos, you can go ahead and share them. And chances are, if you like them, your friends and family will also. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces, although my space isn't small anymore, such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.